Hello, my name is Julian, this is Newbie Garage, and today we're gonna finish taking off the suspension on the 2CV that is right here. Let's go do that. Okay, so first we're gonna take off the front suspension because I kind of had a pain with the rear suspension. So we're gonna take off the front suspension first and then focus on the rear suspension. So let's go do that. Okay, so now we're gonna take off the last 3 bolts. I already took off 1 bolt because that was the easy one. I took that off in the last part. So now we're gonna take off the last 3 bolts that were a pain in my ass. Let's go do that. Okay, now that the front suspension is off, we're gonna finish working on the rear suspension. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so I did not record taking off the rear suspension, but I assure you the front and rear suspension are now both off, and yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. Okay, so as you can see, those are the rear wheels, those are the front wheels, and that's our frame right there. Okay, so now that all the wheels are off, I'm gonna take off the rest of the parts on the frame, and I'm gonna fabricate a little part that I broke while taking off the rear wheels. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm back at it again, this time with my friend Reza. Okay, so we're gonna start by chopping off the ends where the suspension cylinders are being held on, because we're gonna throw this chassis away anyway, so if we chop it off, it's no problem because it's gonna get replaced. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop this off right here and right here. And we're gonna do that all along that beam so we can pull it out right like so that it comes up and out. And the same we're gonna do for the other side. And then we'll die. so right now we're gonna flip the whole chassis around and start by cutting that side but from the underside. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut all of this off and this, and then we'll be right back.
Now it's my turn to cut this side off.
Okay, so we just finished taking off the suspension. I will show you that in a minute, but we're pretty happy about that. So yeah, here is the suspension. We cut this part right off, right like so. We cut that part all off, and that used to be fitted to this
hole.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Okay, so what we did in this video, we took off these things and we took off the wheels, most importantly. So yeah, we're pretty happy about that. So thank you for watching Newbie Garage, and I'm out.